And now we move on to our announcement section. And I think there's only one really. And Warren Austin's back soon, isn't he?
Austin is back from his holiday, and he's deadbeat right now because he's tired riding on that train all night or whatever. So that boy is tired, but he's going to be back with us next week. And so we're glad Austin have a safe vacation, and he's back from his vacation. And so, Austin, if you're hearing us, boy, welcome back home.
He was always deadbeat, wasn't he?
I think to a degree, well, you could say that because he's usually probably amongst us all, he's the one that sacrifices and stays up late, because this is like 10 something or whatever in India. And
it's quite late over there, isn't it?
So it's kind of, generally it's usually like either 9:30 his time or whatever. So, it's kind of tiring to be up at that time to be doing a podcast.
Of course, next weekend we'll be in the middle, in the UK here, we'll be in the middle of a 4-day weekend because of the Jubilee celebrations. So goodness knows what state Ed's going to be in.
Talking about that,
really.
Here in the States, we have Memorial Day. So it's a 3-day weekend for us because Monday is Memorial. And so if you're celebrating, there's no celebration of Memorial, but this is a day we remember our departed and all of that. But it has been turned into all kinds of stuff to where now you have Memorial Day sales and even online and in-store things. So you just can't tell where this thing is going. Salespeople always take advantage of every break.
Oh yeah, well they do anywhere, don't they? We've got people here selling special crisps and flags and different, probably crowns that people can dress up in, I should imagine, and thing because the Queen will have been on the throne for 70 years. So, no, sorry, 60. Wait, is it 60?
No, 70.
70. Yes, it is, isn't it?
Well, no, apparently the signs in Hull said Platinum Jubilee, and they had a cup which did say 60. I hope that person wasn't doing their speed limits.
Oh,
but Hull
dear.
Did make that mistake.
Well, my mum saw an Undertaker's yesterday where it said something about memorials, and then it said about next to it about the Platinum Jubilee, which looked a bit strange.
Well, maybe they were doing a sale for Warren's Memorial Day weekend. Maybe there was a...
Yeah, we got a lot of, sales going on here because of Memorial. It's just unbelievable, even online. But it's just one of those things. But we remember our heroes that have, passed, and most especially, this was especially for the military guys. And of course, we remember them for keeping us safe. And so thanks to you guys. If you're in the military, we want to say thank you for your sacrifices.
Oh, that's like our remembrance we have in November.
Yeah.
Similar sort of thing, isn't it?
It is.
Yeah, we do have that too, in November, but Memorial Day is basically
it's the bigger one, I expect, isn't it?
For guys like that, but it's now for everybody. We have to go out there, put those flowers on the grave.
Is it military or non-military?
Well, it was military, but like it has become for everybody. So, you have lost. If you've lost someone, it's the day to remember that. And so you go to the park and
we can remember Bonnie from The Big Lebowski. We can remember the guy from Clerks. He died.
Yeah.
All of those guys. That's good.